Say good morning. I'm holding baby Johnny.
I'm holding baby Johnny because he spit.
He spit up a little.
He spit up a little.
Yeah, it's the 4th of July. He's touching you. He loves you.
He loves him.
It's the 4th of July, so we are running errands and trying to get out of the house, but it's already like noon.
He's got some.
Here, I'll put his mitten on so he doesn't scratch.
Me.
Okay.
Myself.
Say happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
So Daddy is over at the fireworks stand with Lorelai, and she's picking some fireworks out. These look so cute. Baby brother is sleeping. And we're headed to lunch. But the battery in the vlog camera is almost dead, so hopefully it gives us a little time. I brought the plug, but I don't know that there'll be a charger there, so. Let's see if I can see them. That's hard to see. He's snoring. You have to put the camera back on him for a second. It's so cute.
We got a whole bag of fireworks.
We got to hold a bag of books.
Cool.
$40 worth for $19.
Did you pick them out?
I did.
She picked them all out.
Awesome.
Thanks. I will get them.
Put your feet in. There you go.
I was
Your
going.
head.
No, I was.
Your head?
No, I was too. I was
You're
going.
snoring.
I was going to start it.
You picked them
Cool.
all out. You picked out one special for Mama, huh? Remember, it was the pink, what?
The pink flame.
The pink diamond.
Wow.
The pink diamond for you.
Thanks.
I need to open up his shoe.
Okay,
We'll
later.
do that tonight.
We can't open them in the car.
Yeah,
we gotta wait till it's
until
dark
the sun goes down, and then you do fireworks.
so you can see them. Because they won't light up in the daytime.
Yeah, they don't work in the daytime.
Oh,
Like Octavia.
this is better. This thing is not hurting me.
Okay.
Daddy, you go put it in nail?
Yep.
Oh, I can light this sauce.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
Say
Made
thanks,
out.
Daddy.
Thank you.
So it's the 4th of July, and it's 8 o'clock, and I'm making a late dinner. And Lorelai is having a blast because she got to stay up late for the holiday. And I wanted to show you, is upgrading Baymax's combat armor. Right? A new and improved upgrade for his armor. So tell him what you're doing.
I'm doing orange Play-Doh.
Orange Play-Doh? Can they see?
Snip.
Look what she's done. She sealed up the helmet. She reinforced the arm and the wings.
And his head and this.
Cool.
I need to fish him with this.
You're so smart.
And I need to do this. You can see me go.
Now I can see you go. Okay.
Look, there's a way up.
All better. You fixed his shoulder.
This. I need to fix this. How to put it on there?
Oh, okay.
As armor.
That's better armor.
And this thing
For his chest?
for his chest.
She did this all on her own. I was over there making dinner and I heard her talking and explaining what all she was doing. So I just had to let you guys see. Because she's so good at this.
I put it on this. I put it on this.
Good job, baby.
Thanks.
New improved Baymax. Version 3.0.
It's only a piece of Leno Play-Doh. We can leave it on.
We can leave it there. Yeah. Okay, I think it's time to eat.
No, I'm very
We have to eat so then we can do fireworks.
No.
Because it's the 4th of July. It's going to be pretty awesome.
No.
Okay, good job taking it all back off. We can do it again later.
I want to do it again. I'm going to do the back window.
That's right. Because why?
Because he's on the road.
On the road. It's going to be the Black Widow. Okay, back up by the van, okay? And Daddy will do it. Ready? Get all the way back by the van. And I'm going to come stand with you. Ready? Here it goes. Whoa! Look at the Black Widow. Isn't that awesome? Yeah! Yay!
This is fun.
It's still going. Okay.
This is awesome, Daddy.
Good. Look, they're red and green. Whoa!
I love Skittles. I
We're gonna
Skittles.
wake up with spots all over her face.
Look at all the smoke.
I will try it again.
We're gonna do another one, okay?
Okay.
Okay. What is it?
It's a pink shark.
The pink shark. That's right, the pink mako shark. This is one that Lorelai hand-picked this morning. Here it goes. Wow! Whoa! How's it doing that?
Oh, it is doing that.
Because it is.
Whoa! This is totally awesome.
Totally awesome.
Whoa!
High five. Yeah. Wow.
Ta-da. Let's go do enough things we can do.
Look at all that smoke again. We're smoking out the neighborhood. That'll keep mosquitoes away. Bring me one. Oh, you want to do one of those? Okay, those are extra special sparklers.
Especially on these photos.
Okay, this one is called Pink Diamonds, and it's the one Lorelai picked special for Mommy because she's a double diamond. Lorelai picked it, right? You even got her 2 of them. Okay, you ready?
Daddy, we go back up.
That's right. Good job. Here goes the pink diamond. Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa!
Wow. It's not finished yet. Wow. Say yay! Clap for that one. All right.
Let's go do another one. Daddy, let's go do another. Let's go do another.
You want to do the other one like that? Why don't we save that one and do it last because it was so good. Okay? Get me that cactus.
Okay. What is it? This cactus. Here's the cactus.
Okay. All right, it's the 4th of July still, and it's 9:45. Lily stayed up so super duper late. But we went across the street to our neighbor Dave's house and watched all of his fireworks. They were so cool. And baby Johnny slept through the whole thing. Somehow.
Say in my life, this is awesome.
And you made friends with the girls over there. Mm-hmm. They're your new buddies now?
No.
Yeah. So now we're eating a quick snack and we're off to bed. Say happy 4th of July.
Happy July.
Say see you tomorrow.
You